how to create a DIY and craft supplies store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform for free. So let's get started guys, first by showing you how you can create your account in Shopify.com. So here, open a new tab on your Chrome or on your browser, then enter Shopify, then click on the first link that will be shown, this one. Click on the first link, then you will proceed to starting your free trial by entering your email. So here, let's click on the first link, and here just click on start free trial, then enter your email, and then your account will be created. And after creating your account, you will proceed to this page, which will be your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your account from, and in your left you will have every button you'll need, starting with the home. Then you have the orders. It's where you can manage your orders. You can see the total orders, the ordered items over time, the returns, the fulfilled orders over time as well. And here you have the products. So here you can check all of your products. You can see the products by sell-through rate, the products by days of inventory remaining. And here you can add new products, or you can delete the ones that you already have. So here you can just delete this product like this, delete products. And here you can add more products, or you can import products from other websites. Then we have the customers. It's where you can check all of your customers if you want to add new ones or to import them from the other websites. Then we have the content and the analytics. And here in the analytics, you can check and see all of your data. You can see your total sales. You can also see your online store sessions, the online store conversion rate, the total orders, the average order value as well. So you can see all of this data. Then we have the marketing and the discount. And then we have the online store. It's where you can change everything about your theme. But first, let's check the settings. So here the settings is very important guys. This is where you can change the name of your store. And if you scroll down and went to the domains, it's where you can change the name or the domain name of your store. So here I've changed it from this name here to this other name, as you can see, bobnet.myshopify.com, or you can buy a new domain in here, a new domain without .myshopify. So you can buy a new domain, and here in the languages you can also change the language of your store. And that's it for the settings. So let's go back and let's move on to the online store. Let's go to the online store in order to optimize our theme. So here you give it a few seconds to load. Then you will be able to change everything about your theme. It's taking a lot of time. So let's go back to home. Then let's come again to the online store. And let's wait for it to load. Let's just give it a few seconds. It will be loaded right now. It's still loading. Let's just go to the orders and let's come back again here. Let's refresh. And here, let's go back to the online store and give it a few seconds to load. And here it is, it's loaded right now. So here, click on view your store in order to see the theme that you're using right now. So this is the theme we're using. It's a very simple theme. Let's go back, and here this is the current theme. Its name is Spotlight. and it's this one. So here we have another other themes installed, and here by scrolling down you will be able to see the popular free themes. The first one is Dawn, then we have Spotlight, Refresh, Craft and Sense, and by going to visit the theme store you will be able to see all of the available themes. So here let's give it a few seconds to load, but it's taking a lot of time. Let's close this one and let's click on it again. It's taking a lot of time. Let's refresh in here. So here guys, you can visit the theme store in order to choose other themes to install on your website or on your store. So here we have a lot of themes, and most of them are paid themes, but only 12 are free. So here you can choose the theme that you'd like to use, and after choosing the theme, then you will come back to this window where you're going to click on customize in order to change this theme of yours. So this is where you can change everything about your theme, and the amazing thing about this platform is that you can change whatever you like just by clicking on it. So for example, if I wanted to change the header, I will just need to click on it, then I will be able to change whatever I like about it. So for example, if I wanted to change the placement of the logo, I can replace it in the top. Then I will go to the theme settings to add my logo. So here you can select image if you have a logo on your desktop, or you can just explore free images, and here you can choose an image that is related to DIY and crafts supplies. So for example, let's go with work from home. That's not what we're looking for. Tech, fitness. Let's go with furniture, for example, just to show you an example, guys. And here let's use this one, or let's use this one for example as a logo, and here click on select. Then you will have your logo set up. So you can do the same thing with the other elements. For example, if you want to change these collections, you can just click on here. You can add a heading, for example, new collection, and it will be set, and same thing with the footer as well. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.